Hi, I'm Harry Johnson with the Recreation Coordinator for Hernando County Parks and Recreation.
Hi, my name is Emma Bolton. I'm 16 years old and I have my own project called Emma Seeds of Kindness. Part of Emma Seeds of Kindness is that we have projects and different donations that we do. And so this is one of the many projects that I have started. This project is Trash, Put a Lid on It. So it started with me just emailing Hernando County Parks and Recreation, and they helped me discover the idea of putting lids and signs on. I first wanted to decorate the signs so that way it would draw attention to the trash can, but also not be like there's a trash can in our beautiful environment. The lid's important because if we didn't have a lid, it would just be open and animals in the wind would pull out the trash, and most of the time the trash is just, all around the sides because it gets pulled out, the wind blows it out, and then animals eat it, and it's just not good for our environment.
Emma's been very much involved in environmental protection of our county for a long time, doing projects picking up trash throughout many of our parks. She came up with a game plan to get some cans as a pilot program here at Linda Pedersen Park that would help hopefully promote people putting the trash actually in the cans and not just throwing it on the ground.
Part of Trash, Put a Lid on It is that we had an art contest, and the winner of the art contest would have their design on a t-shirt and a sign. The art contest age range was 5 to 25 years old, and the winner who designed this beautiful trash can with a little sheep in it was a 13-year-old Florida resident.
And it's not often that you see a 16-year-old teenager coming out and giving so much of her time to make a difference in our parks. And just already in the 2 weeks that we are out here and seeing the experimental part of this, we're noticing a big difference in the amount of trash that we're seeing left on the ground. So again, I can't thank Emma Bolton enough for taking pride in her county and trying to help clean this environment up.
No matter what age you are or who you are, you can always make an impact, and even if it's in the small details and ways.